Peps for Beginners, and what are my recommendations? Okay, so let me do a disclaimer to get this out of the way. This video is for education and research purposes only. Consult your doctor for medical advice, guys. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you really only need one pep. And that pep is Retta. And the reason that Retta is the best pep to start with is, first of all, it's pretty mild on the system. And it's just gonna cut your food noise and your appetite down by, I would say, about 25 to 35% for most people, meaning that when you're tired, when you're stressed, when you're hungry, when you're angry, when you have a bad day at work, when you have an argument with someone, when your hormones are doing something that day, you're not going to feel like the only solution is to pull up into a drive-thru and get a meal that's 1,500 calories from your favorite fast food spot. And cutting food noise, like all these times where you don't have something going in your mind, or your mind is racing, or you're having an emotional response, that leads to a lot of eating. And it's so much easier to eat healthier, guys, when the only thing that you think of is, I need to eat something. You're on your way home from work and you're like, not that hungry because you're on Retta, and you're like, I have some chicken and rice left in the fridge. You know, we went out to dinner last night and I had some of those potatoes and a little bit of that steak left. I'll just have that. I want a protein, bowl, some Greek yogurt and some fruit cut up in it. Or, I'm gonna have some protein ice cream that I froze the other night. Like, that stuff becomes so second nature. It becomes so easy because your food noise is not so loud all the time. Now, Retta has a whole bunch of other great scientific things happening in the background. I'm not gonna get into all that, right? But what you need to know is that it's gonna make it so that you're not as hungry all the time. You have much more control over your food. And when you're not as hungry all the time and you don't have this food noise in your head all the time, it really cuts down on these kind of like addictive feelings that food can have, especially the food in America that's filled with all kinds of hidden sugars, plastics, chemicals, dyes, everything that's really bad for you, which is the reason that we're the most overweight country in the world. It all stems from the fact that it's like all in there with Retta cutting a lot of that stuff down. That's why it's so effective. Like, you look at the clinical trials, guys, like 27 to 30% of body weight in under a year is insane when you think about results, guys. So if that's all beginners need, why am I going to recommend one other pep? Well, I'm going to recommend one other pep because it's going to make you look and feel really good. And when you look and feel really good, everything else in your life just seems better. And so I'm going to recommend a pep that's a blend called Clo. And Clo is actually my favorite pep. And I lost, just me personally, I lost 51 pounds in 6 months on Retta. So the fact that I can do that in another pep is my favorite pep tells you how good it is. So Clo is a blend that has 4 peps in it. It has BPC 157 that helps heal injuries, has TB 500 that helps you recover, has GHKCU, which is amazing for your hair, skin, and nails, and it has KPV, which gets rid of inflammation in your body. You have no idea how much freaking inflammation you have in your body until you take KPV on a consistent basis every week, and all of a sudden you see your jawline again. You're not so bloated in your middle. Your joints don't hurt. Stuff doesn't hurt on your body anymore. Like, just for like how your body feels and looks, it's unbelievable. If I could just get everybody on Retta and Clo, everybody would look and feel their best and feel so much healthier. Now, the price point on those two is not very high, especially with discounts and sales that are always going on at different companies and stuff. Like, it's not tough, guys. It's really not. And so when you are looking at like, well, what do I do with getting started? That's exactly where I would start anybody, is Retta and Clo. You'll look and feel better than you ever have. And I do, and I know, because that's all I was on for several months. And Retta alone, I wasn't even near clinical. Retta clinical is 4 to 6. And I started the lowest possible, and I changed 11 pounds my first month. That's insane when you think about it, guys. So like, don't ever sit there and go like, oh, I need all this stuff. You don't. If you just start with Retta and Clo, you're gonna kill it. You're gonna feel so good. Then what happens is, once you realize that these things actually work and they aren't BS like everything else, like a bunch of supplements and everything else that you've been told about in your life, once you actually realize how crazy peps is effective on yourself, you'll start to add other things. Everybody does. You'll look and feel better than you ever have. So I just want to encourage everybody, start with Retta. If you want to bump it one more, add Clo. And that's where I would put any beginner, because man, I've never looked and felt better in my life. I'm 47, guys. This is the best I've looked and felt my entire life. I don't look nearly as good. I have wrinkles. I'm getting older. I have crow's feet, this kind of stuff. I'm 47, but I feel my best. I feel like myself, and it's all because of, I was already putting in the work. I was already eating the protein. I was already doing the shakes. I was already going for the walks. I just finished my walk. I was already, working out hard and heavy, but Retta helped me control my appetite, which was my biggest problem, and Clo helped me look and feel my best, and I recommend them to everybody. Let me know if you've tried them, guys, and if you'd recommend to other people.